Welcome back, Nero di Venere channel here. So today I'm really excited because I am to show you what I did with an amazing model, Alice. She is a Brazilian model and I'm Italian, so please, so sorry about my broken English. I try to do my best all the time, but you know, I make some mistakes. Anyway, I think you don't care so much about the mistake of my language because you're gonna show you a really amazing model. So this happened, we got a late afternoon shooting in the city. It's November, so it was basically night time. The light was like night, but I like that kind of scene because I like to shoot by night, but I like to have the city movement, the lights on. In fact, we got the light from the shops to get some particular kind of pictures. I'm going to show you the footage because I put my Insta360 here on the strap of my backpack and I record footage of the night. I'm going to show you a preview here on my iPad. Please, thank you, help me. So, actually, as you can see with this picture, I made another video where I showed you how I edit this raw file from zero, especially that one. So I'm gonna show you, of course, a carousel of the best image of the night. We took around 250 pictures and I saved 70, more or less, 70 of them. So I think it's a lot of pictures compared to what you usually do, because in the nighttime everything change. I have to struggle with the setting in the camera, so like wide aperture I have to shoot around 1.4, 1.6, 1.8. Sometime I can go a little bit higher, like 2.0, but not so much. The ISO 1600 to 3200, that's the range. It depends how much light I can take from the shop around us. And the most important thing, the lower shutter speed. And this is, at the beginning I struggle a little bit with the model because, you know, as soon as the models heard the click from the camera, they change the pose, fix the hair, move a lot. So I had to explain to her, and she was absolutely amazing and outstanding, to be a little bit quiet, to move a little bit calm, so not a normal usually modeling dynamic, because sorry, the light was not our friend. I mean, it's amazing on the final result, but at the moment we have to struggle a little bit with the light, and that was the most challenging and exciting part of the shooting. Last but not least, I stuck on Fuji, and you know that I'm recording now with an X-T4, but I got the opportunity to try this amazing camera. It's an Sony A7 IV with the ZA 15mm 1.4. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, I think you're gonna see the footage. I basically am new to Sony. I got the opportunity to try this camera and I'm really impressed about the eye tracking, you know, the autofocus, famous autofocus on Sony. The camera was absolutely whoa. Yeah, it was a whoa, especially in the night condition. So usually I want to do the bad test as possible, because like on a sunny day today, I think it's easy to catch the eye and do it with a little bit close aperture, like f4. I don't like to use so close aperture. I'm usually a kind of person take the aperture very low because I like the bokeh. I like the separation between the subject and the background. I already talked too much. I'm going to leave you a little bit of footage so you can see what happened in that night, and then a carousel of the best image of the night. Remember, if you check my channel, you can see how I edit this picture here from zero to this final result. Thank you again to support me and follow me. See you next time. Ciao.